G'day, welcome back. So not so much of a DIY, just a few kind of lessons learned on doing the headlining on this 2004 Audi A3. The second headliner I've ever done, first I did was on the VR6, there's a video, we'll link that below. This time round, newer car, Audi A3 2004, that's the 8P platform, had classic saggy headliner, so going to get it sorted. So here's the old headliner. Saw in the wee clip there that it's pretty saggy, falling down. You got all the nasty foam on the inside. Yeah, that comes off in seconds, and you just got a load of foam to clean up. The best tool I found for actually getting rid of foam was an angle grinder with a worn out flat disc. That seemed to, you can see all the residue in there. It's still got the remnants of half a headliner in there, but that was pretty effective at kind of getting through the layers of foam, getting it down to a substrate we could actually work with. Yeah, there's nothing left on that disc now, it's just shiny, smooth. Then the new material, this was the finest quality Chinese foam backed headliner stuff. Not a huge amount of stretch in it, which is where we kind of struggled on this one. There's quite a few tight curves on the Audi. Couldn't quite get them perfectly in there, but it looks a whole lot better than it did before. So this stuff, I don't know where he got it from. He actually bought it in Australia. He lives in Australia, bought it in Australia, bought it on over, but it's cheap, real cheap. I think it's 40 bucks for the whole lot to do the car. It's probably a bit too thick for this car, but anyway. In terms of glue, got through 2 tins of this Ados multi-purpose spray adhesive. Sticks pretty well. Yeah, no issues with the glue. Glue does a good job. And yeah, it's all in the preparation. You've got to get all that foam off so something will stick. A bit tough on this one because all the kind of contours, it was quite hard to get a nice finish, but it still looks a million times better. If no one told you the headliner had been redone, you probably wouldn't notice. So yeah, good enough. So yeah, just a few tips there. There's no commentary on the last headliner video I did, so just sharing with you some of the things I found along the way. If I was going to do it again on one of my nice cars like the Audi A3, Project 90s 80, then I'd take my time, do it a wee bit better. But no, this did the job. What we got, 20 bucks in glue, 40 bucks in material, 60 bucks for a headliner, and a few hours of my time. It came out pretty well. But it's over now. Yeah, it's over.
The sound of a lion, I found my way back in the end. Baby, I'm falling for you and the way you make me feel. No need to pretend.
So there we go. Comment, like, subscribe. We'll see you with more videos soon. Cheers.